Good afternoon, and welcome to Compass Diversified Holdings' third quarter earnings recap. Last week, we reported exceptional earnings. Consolidated adjusted EBITDA grew 11%, far in excess of what our expectations were. This has allowed us to raise our guidance in Q4 and have better expectations for 2024. Included in our earnings release, and partly due to the growth, was a resumption of growth in our consumer vertical. Revenues grew 2% and EBITDA grew almost 9%. This is the first time this year our consumer businesses grew in aggregate. As we have said, the inventory destocking trends have created a huge headwind for our consumers. But as those trends start to decline, we are seeing accelerating growth, which gives us optimism as we come into the fourth quarter and 2024. We also announced the divestiture of our Marucci Sports subsidiary. As way of background, we acquired for $200 million Marucci in April of 2020. This was when the pandemic had closed down the economy, and many of our competitors were on the sideline due to a lack of availability of financing. We recognized that Marucci was a great business with deep competitive barriers and an exceptional management team, and believed that once the pandemic was behind us, Marucci had huge opportunities to grow their market share within the baseball hard goods category. 3 years later, and after more than doubling Marucci's earnings, we achieved a phenomenal divestiture, yielding $572 million of proceeds. Those proceeds will be used to repay debt and for general corporate purposes. We are extremely excited as this strengthens our balance sheet and gives us opportunities to be able to either buy back stock under the existing buyback program that we have in place, or to find interesting opportunities in a market where uncertainty rules today. Thank you for listening today, and look forward to speaking with you again in 3 months as we wrap up our year. Have a great day.